Good morning. Welcome to Ummul Qura Education System. Okay students, I am your English teacher and class LKG. Today we are going to learn new topic UG series. Bug. B give the sound of ba and U and G give the sound of UG. Ba-ug, bug. This is the picture of bug. B-U-G, bug. B-U-G, bug. D says D. D-ug, dug. D-ug, dug. D says D and U and G give the sound of dug. D-ug, dug. This is the picture of dug. D-U-G, dug. J says J. J-ug, jug. J-ug, jug. J says J and U and G give the sound of ug. J-ug, jug. J-ug, jug. This is the picture of jug. J-U-G, jug. M says M. Ma-ug, mug. Ma-ug, mug. M says ma and U and G give the sound of ug. Ma-ug, mug. Ma-ug, mug. This is the picture of mug. M-U-G, mug. R says ra. Ra-ug, rug. Ra-ug, rug. This is the picture of rug. R-U-G, rug. Okay kids, in this way you will complete your work. Take care. Allah Hafiz.